Hello and welcome. So in today's video I will walk you through how to activate the doctor's profile. So let's quickly log in using our doctor credentials. As you can see, for the time being I have not any option that I can do because my profile is not completed, and I have to click here to complete my profile so I can use the system. So click here. Let me quickly fill in all the details. So these specializations are your specific specialization in which you will provide service, like the dentistry or cardiology. So let me quickly save this one. Okay, so as you can see now my profile is completed and I can access all the different functionalities in the system. So I will cover other functionalities in the next video. Thank you.